Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change permalink in WordPress. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your WordPress website, and from here you need to click on settings and then click on permalink. And here you will find different type of permalinks, but the one that I recommend and also which is very important in terms of SEO is post name. So we are going to select post name and then we will click on save changes. So this is how you can change the permalinks of your WordPress website. And now we are going to see how you can change the permalink of individual post or page. So click on pages and edit the one that you want to change the permalink. On the right tab, you will see a permalink section. And from here you can change the permalink of your page. After adding new permalink text, just click on update button and your page will be updated with new permalink. So this is how you can change the permalinks of your pages, and now we are going to see how we can change the permalink of any post. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and click on posts. Now edit the post for which you want to change the permalink. On the right you will see a permalink tab, and from here you can change the permalink of your post. So this is how you can change the permalink of your WordPress website, individual posts and pages. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial.